Alright guys, so we've gone around, we've laid out all our wire from each fixture. We've made sure to leave a lot of extra wire at every single fixture, so that way if we ever need to move it, it just gives us some play, and we got some extra wire to splice into and stuff. The biggest mistake most people make is they use those cheap clips and they don't leave any slack whatsoever, and it just kind of bites into the wire. And then if you ever have to make a repair, you can't, and all of a sudden you gotta cut your wire back and cut your wire back, and then you've got 2 or 3 extra connections that you don't need. It's just more chance for them to fail. So yeah, leave lots of extra wire. To wire your lights is actually really simple. Every light's gonna have 2 wires coming off of it, and your 12-2 wire obviously has 2 wires. So you have your wire coming in, you want to split those and just take off, you know, maybe about 1 inch off the end of each one, just with your wire cutters, and then you've got your line that's going out to the next fixture. I like using these are the BVS2 snap lock connectors that we talk about. They're gel filled, so they help keep the water out. They also clamp down on the wire, so it keeps them from pulling apart over time, which is that's the number one thing that happens when there's a bad break. The wires just come out, the light stops working, and then you got to dig it up. And again, if it's not, if you didn't leave enough wire, then it becomes a major pain in the butt. So I like using these, but even with those, I still like wrapping a little bit of electrical tape around the end, just to give it that extra little bit, so we know that they're not going to come apart. But really simple. Again, we've got our wire coming in, our wire going out, and then we've got 2 wires from our fixture. We're going to take one of those and we're going to just stick them in the ports at the bottom of our snap lock connectors. There's 3 holes, there's 3 wires. Pretty simple. Put them in, snap it tight, and then, like I said, I like to just put a little extra electrical tape. You probably don't need to, but I always rather be safe than sorry, so I'll just put a little bit along the base just to keep that nice and tight. You don't have to go around the whole thing, because again, these are waterproof. And you're going to do the same thing with your second set of wires. You'll have your wire coming in, your wire going out, and then your other fixture wire. So wire those up. Then once you've got all your lights wired, go fire on your transformer, make sure everything's everything's working, and then come back at night, see how everything looks before you go and start burying all the wire. And with all the extra wire you have, basically just roll it up, and because I dug a nice big hole, there's lots of room to stuff that down there and bury it up, and we're all set. Hey guys, it's Cal from The Lighting Doctor here. I'm really excited about our new try it before you buy it offer. So many of you guys have been asking, what's the difference between a premium quality landscape light and all the crap that you're gonna find online? Well, now you get a chance to feel it. You can go on our website for a limited time and you can order one FX Luminaire LED uplight that's found in most of our premium quality kits. We're gonna send it to you for free shipping. You buy it at a discounted rate and keep it for 14 days. And if you don't love it, you send it back to us and you get a full refund. If you do, you keep it and you get it at that discounted rate. And a little trick, you can even go around your property and go see how it's going to look before you decide to buy an entire kit, simply by taking a 9-volt battery, taking the 2 wires from your fixture, attaching them to the terminals, and then you can actually go start lighting some stuff up and see how that's going to look and see how this light feels. So if you have any questions, email me at cal@lightingdoctor.ca.